Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and play Pixel Mon on Xbox One. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and without any further delay we're simply going to go ahead step into our video. So for that matter, the very first thing would be simply for you to access your web browser of your computer or laptop, and when you go to reforce.gg or simply type in Pixel Mon, you will be able to get to this website where it lets you download the particular game and launch it on your laptop or PC and simply play it. So you can see, even if we browse through all of the version of the Pixel Mon, the thing is it actually does not have a support for the Xbox. The thing is, it's only available for the PC. If you would like to play this Pixel Mon specifically, you will have to download this game on your PC or laptop, on your computer, and then you will be able to play it. Make sure it is a good computer with a good support for the game, and for the other way around, for the Xbox One, it is just not available and not possible. There might be some future updates for that in the future. We will make sure to let you know about it, but currently you cannot, unfortunately. So guys, this is it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.